Apply this manifestation hack and your dream partner will come to you. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a powerful manifestation hack that once you apply today will allow your dream partner to find you. They will come to you, meaning you can drop the searching for it, the looking for it, the trying to make it happen. You can drop the struggle. So let's get started. A powerful manifestation hack that will allow your dream man or your dream woman to come to you. Now, before I get into the hack, it's first important to understand how manifestation works at the highest level. So let's talk a little bit about frequency, vibration, and energy, because remember, this is the language of the universe. The universe speaks frequency. So ultimately, this always comes down to what is your vibration saying and what is your energy saying. Now, in order to allow your dream relationship to find you, to come to you, it's about understanding that your self-concept is equal to your vibration. Your self-concept is what you become a magnet for. If your self-concept is equal to your vibration and the universe is always responding to your vibration 24/7, then this means that your self-concept is always an equal representation of what you are manifesting into your reality. So if your self-concept says something like this: I am a loser at love, all the good ones are taken, things never work out for me, I'm really bad at love, I'm rubbish at love, it never works out for me. If this is your self-concept around your love life, then this means that your vibration is equal to this self-concept. This is the vibrational signature that you're sending out to the universe. And the universe, source, your higher self, God, whatever you want to call it, is responding to this and is going to send you evidence to demonstrate to you where your self-concept is currently at. So in order to change your 3D reality, in order to call in your dream partner, it's about first realizing that you must shift your self-concept so that it aligns with your dream relationship. So in other words, this is about aligning your self-concept with your dream relationship. When your self-concept is in alignment vibrationally with your dream relationship, this is when your dream partner will come to you effortlessly without you having to lift a finger. Now let's take a closer look at your self-concept. How can you begin to shift your self-concept today so that it aligns with your dream relationship? Right now, I want you to ask yourself this question. Do I value myself? Do you value yourself? Because in order to begin to attract the kind of love that you want, it comes down to you must first value yourself. You must first see yourself as a valuable person, as a valuable asset. Now, a lot of people, when it comes to changing their reality, initially they will go straight to, well, of course I value myself, therefore I'm no longer going to put up with this, I'm no longer going to put up with that, I'm no longer going to let him talk to me like this. And so people begin to associate valuing themselves with what they will accept and not accept as a behavior. And in reality, this is not where changing your self-concept begins. Because the only reason why people are treating you a certain way to begin with is because of your self-concept. It's because emotionally you don't value yourself. Hence, you are going to call in people to demonstrate to you that you don't value yourself. So when you don't value yourself, it means that you're not treating yourself right emotionally. And therefore, you will call in people to reflect back to you that you don't value yourself, meaning you will call in people who don't treat you right, who are rude to you and who don't respect you. But again, the only reason why those people are treating you that way in the first place is because you don't value yourself emotionally. Now, what do I mean by valuing yourself emotionally? I'm talking about, how do you treat yourself emotionally on a daily basis? Are you somebody that berates yourself, that condemns yourself, that criticizes yourself, that is constantly putting yourself down? What is your self-talk? Because this is a tell letting you know if you are somebody who values yourself or not. If you are somebody who truly values yourself, then you would only ever be kind to yourself. You would always be supporting yourself, trusting yourself, backing yourself up. And no matter what, you would always be nice to yourself. You would be kind to yourself. But instead, what a lot of people do is they condemn themselves and berate themselves. Oh my God, I'm so stupid. I'm so dumb. I can't believe I did this. Oh my God, I'm really bad at love. I'm not pretty enough. I'm too fat. I'm too skinny. Just there's this chatter that goes on incessantly in our minds about all the things that are wrong with us. Now, this is a tell that you don't value yourself. And this is exactly what I mean by emotionally, you do not value yourself. And therefore, your self-concept says, I don't value myself. And if you don't value you, then you can't call in somebody else into your reality who's going to value you, because everybody is a reflection of you. Everybody is reflecting back to your internal state of being, what is going on emotionally within you. The emotions that you hold in your body is always being reflected back to you 24/7. So in order to begin to change your self-concept, it's really about first asking yourself, do I value myself? Yes or no? So this is about being brutally honest with yourself right now. Am I somebody who values myself? Yes or no? Do I condemn myself, criticize myself, or am I kind to myself? Do I support myself? Do I encourage myself? Am I my own supporter? Do I cheer myself on? And if the answer is no, then today you want to begin to make these shifts. You want to begin to make these emotional shifts. You want to begin to be kind to yourself. You want to begin to praise yourself, to encourage yourself versus criticizing, condemning, berating, shaming, and putting yourself down. Remember, this is an emotional journey. The way you treat yourself emotionally is how others treat you, is equal to how others will show up in your reality and treat you, including your dream partner. So in order to call in your dream partner, and your dream partner is somebody who loves you exactly the way you are, adores you for being you, and is thanking God, source, universe every day that they found you. So in order for them to find you, you must first rise to that frequency of valuing yourself. Meaning, you have to begin to treat yourself with respect, with kindness. You have to begin to support yourself and to back yourself up starting today. Remember, this is an emotional game. When you emotionally make these tweaks and make these shifts, inside at your core, you will begin to value yourself. You will feel it. It's an energy. It's nothing that you do. It's not about doing. It's about who are you being in this moment? How do you feel about yourself? What energy are you exuding? Because that is ultimately what is going to come back to you. So once you get to the point where you value yourself, because emotionally you're treating yourself with kindness, you're praising yourself and you're encouraging yourself. When this becomes your dominant vibration, then your self-concept is going to be one that says, I value myself. I am a valuable asset, and I know that I'm good enough. When you begin to vibrate at this frequency and live at this state of consciousness, you now become visible to your dream partner. And this is when your dream partner will flow into your experience, because your dream partner already exists. Your dream partner is ready for you. The question is, are you ready for you? Are you showing up for you? Are you being the best version of you by treating yourself well emotionally? Once this clicks into place, the relationship of your dreams will come to you without you having to lift a finger. So let's recap everything you have learned here today. The biggest manifestation hack that you can apply to allow your dream partner to find you is about aligning your self-concept with your dream relationship. And this is about valuing yourself. You must value yourself if you want your dream relationship to flow into your experience. And valuing yourself is not about taking action. Valuing yourself isn't about accepting somebody else's behavior or declining somebody else's behavior. Valuing yourself is about emotionally treating yourself well. When you emotionally treat yourself with kindness, with respect, with love and adoration, you will automatically call in people into your experience who treat you with respect, kindness, love, and adoration. And anything less, you will zig and zag with. Anything less will not show up in your reality, because your self-concept is now one that is grounded in the energy of I am good enough, I am lovable, and I am worthy exactly the way that I am. So anything less will never be able to find you or come near you. Only good will be able to show up in your experience. Now, if you would like to learn more about how to become a valuable asset, how to value yourself at your core, love yourself and appreciate yourself, to manifest your dream relationship, then you can get your hands on my free training, 6 Steps to Manifest Your Soulmate Relationship Without Using a Dating App, by clicking the link below in the description box. Or if you would like to work with me on a one-on-one capacity, then you can apply for my flagship program, Sovereign Queen Academy, by also clicking the link below in the description box. And finally, if you are somebody right now who is struggling with rejection, if you want to learn how to shift out of rejection and how to transmute that energy so that you can return back to your most confident, aligned self, then you can watch my video here next, how to deal with rejection. And lastly, thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Catch you soon.